Hey, what's up? I pause. This is for you, the Amazon KDP coloring bookseller. Here we are in Nurie Creator. I want to show you a really cool feature it has. And this one was actually a user request. We got a lot of users requesting this feature, so we added it and it's amazing. Let me show you how this works. Basically, it will change a photo, an image. They already have something that has color, and it'll strip the color out of it, and not only stylize it in the type of art style you want, but it's also going to make it colorable for your end user. Okay, so let's click on here. Let's choose this image, and let's go with we have art. Let's go with Art Nouveau. Art Nouveau, click convert, and it's going to convert this image into a coloring book style of image. Let me pause this and come back. That was super quick. That was only seconds. And you can see it's stripped out. Let me show you the original. Here's the original. Lots of color, lots of like blurred color, if that makes any sense. A lot of shadowed color, and that's really hard to get out. And basically, the AI did an interpretation of it and stripped it out, kept the idea of the original photo, the front image, which is my avatar, and it created like an Art Nouveau background. Now, just to show you what Art Nouveau looks like, Art Nouveau. Sorry, I'm not good at French here. Let me show you what Art Nouveau looks like. This is Art Nouveau. It has that 1920s bohemian aesthetic to it, like flappers and whatnot. So yeah, a lot of flowers, a lot of things going around. And as you can see, that has that going on in spades with the corners, the decorative corners. So this is a great little tool if you already have maybe you have a bunch of PLRs, private label right images that you got somewhere. You want to convert them into a coloring book. This is a great way to do it. You can use your clip art, you can use your images, anything you want. Come down here. Let's go with grotesque zombie. Convert to a grotesque zombie, black and white coloring book image, and let me show you what that looks like. Wow, 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 wow! Look at that. I mean, yes, yes, this is exactly what we asked for. Let me blow up this image to show you. Let me increase the size. Look at me. Look at my avatar, all zombie-ish. Look at that one. Look at that one. Okay. Again, powerful stuff. Create your coloring books and sell them as printables on Etsy or as books. This is what I recommend on Amazon KDP. Be good. Take care. If you like this video, if you want to see more, because I want to be showing you more of this brand new updated Nurie Creator in the coming days and week. So make sure you subscribe, hit like, and think give me your ideas down below. If you use this, if you're using the old one right now, don't worry. If you're an old member, you will get updated at no additional cost to this new and improved updated version of Nudie Creator. Don't you worry. See you in the next video. Like and subscribe. You're gonna want to get this because, well, this is an amazing tool to actually sell on Amazon KDP. If you want to find this tool, there's a link below, or you can go to nudiecreator.com and find it there. Okay, be good, take care, and have a great day.